it will take a while before your synapses rewire. So, while you still may experience something bad that you're trying to change, you'll start to get that same bad less in degree. It's a transition over time, also known as the echo effect. You can't have 100% certainty in the higher power system. The quality of what you get is what you put out there. The form of the result is uncertain though. When you see something happening in your life that you don't like, you should be grateful for it, since you see what you've been creating. And when you react to it freely, perhaps by saying something like, "This bad thing always happens to me," you see the belief that's been creating it on a metaphysical level. Provided your beliefs are positively aligned with the things you want, higher power always figures out how your desire can come to you most efficiently and in the shortest amount of time. For instance, if you're wired to believe it's normal for you to be in a relationship and that the opposite gender is strongly attracted to you, yet the relationship abruptly ends, you may very well find that romantic partner candidates seek you out, with maybe even no effort on your part. If you find the fates seem to be conspiring against you, do the inside-out work of rewiring your brain to be energetically attractive to the things you want. This course correction provides total freedom to live a limitless life. As long as you do this work, it's inevitable that what you want comes to you. It's law. You can start a new life, a new reality, anytime you choose. Time really is irrelevant. Let higher power do its thing, and your desire manifesting within a relatively short amount of time is more than possible. What your brain thinks of being realistic doesn't matter in terms of higher power potential. Love is the predominant vibe. You'd have to do a lot of negative thinking to create negative in your life. Human beings are probably the only ones in the animal kingdom putting negative into the system. Nothing is impossible. Miracles do happen. When you really encapsulate the higher power system, it all comes down to the following 5 truths. What you think determines your life. Thoughts are things that affect your reality. You must master your mind to be free and happy. You have to give up who you think you are. There's a power in you that is you. For whosoever has shall be given more. For whosoever has not shall be taken away even what he has. That's how the system works. All physical reality is the effect of a result of thought. As humans, we are designed to think and therefore create in our own lives. The quality of what we think creates the circumstances and the quality of our lives. We are an expression of higher power in physical form. We've confused this identity with a small, separate sense of self, personified by the ego. As we live from the ego, instead of forming our thoughts for thriving, we think of thoughts of mere survival and suffering, and thus create this, our lives. As we become aware and observe the ego, we return to expecting life as self. While living self-expressed, we can think inspired, powerful, abundant thoughts, and create the lives we dream of living. You are here on Earth to create. The way the technology that you are works is you creating a vision, deciding and taking action towards it, and it's inevitable that you create it as long as you get your limited beliefs out of the way. The only way that you don't create the vision you want is by creating a vision you don't want, and you're spending more time there than in the vision you want. It's an unfortunate fact that life will beat the crap out of you until you develop faith for a better future.